Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, faces of a cube are marked with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If two views of cube are as shown below, what will be there on the face opposite to face 2? Here we can observe in the two waves, position of 1 is same. So, if we rotate one of the wave such that position of 1 is fixed. One of the views such that position of 1 is fixed. So, we will see that 5 will be opposite to 2. Hence, 5 will be there on the face opposite to face 2. So, our correct option is option A.